Hey guys, it's me, Galaxy Cole. Uh, Sorry if I haven't posted for a while. I just had I just have been traveling and stuff. When did Scar? Uh, yeah, I went to go see some family. Sorry about that, but yeah, just me right now. So yeah, let's get on with it, I guess. Alright, so um. I don't know. What am I gonna? Okay, so yeah, I guess we can go mining. Good. Yeah. Yeah, that's a good distance. Come on, guys. Yeah. Camera? Oh. Oh, that's my frog cam doing that. Ah! Make sure it's following me, bro. Stop following. Okay. What you want? Dun, dun. Yo, dude, what you doing? Cam, what you doing? You're a little close. You know that? Yeah, you're a little close. Make sure you're watching. Hey, bro. Make sure you're watching. Not watching. Yeah, go grab some snacks, dude. Go grab some snacks. We're gonna be here for a while. Yeah, that guy met. Yo, alright. Yo. Let me better be coming back soon with snacks. I'm gonna get some. I don't wanna mind that. Get out of my face! Too close! You need to some personal face, bro. You need some personal space. You need personal space. Ah! Ow, why'd you whack me? Yeah, not ready to go yet. I'm gonna go to the lava places and not. Oh, but I did not pack a flashlight. So yeah, I didn't pack anything. Yeah, let's get out of here. I'm done here. Ow. My. Yo, I told give me personal space. Give me, fine. You can be as close as you want, but give me some snack. Yeah. Actually, no. Go get some snacks. Go get some snacks. No, bro. Go get some snacks. Let me get out of here. Nah. Put your hands up. You've been violating your law. Nah, but you've been violating. Put your hands up. And while you're at it, get a burrito. Yeah, bro. You're under arrest. Well, I'm at it. Let's knock you out too. Yeah, a stick would do good enough. Not bad. Go to sleep. Go to sleep, buddy. Go to sleep. Go to sleep, my friend. Go to sleep, my friend. I said go to sleep. Good. You sleep. Okay. Good. He's knocked out. He's knocked out. Let's go. Good, bro. He's knocked out. Yo. He's actually knocked out. Good. That's how I want him to be. Go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed, my friend. Sorry about that. I just had the farts. Actually, I think I should eat some more burritos. Cause I feel like it. Actually, bro, you should take a bath, bro. You're stinky. But if you, yo, you stinky, bro. Take a bath. Take a bath, bro. Yeah, bro, take a bath. Bro, take a bath. Take a bath. I said take a bath. Take a bath. About take a bath, bro. You stinky. Yo, you stinky, bro. Take a bath. Yo. Done your bath, bro? Stay away from me, bro. You stinky. Yo, what? Yo, what? What do you want? Like, bro, why you following me so much? Fine. Fine. What? Oh, dude. Yo, you stuck, aren't you? You make me angry Yo, you make me frustrated sometimes, bro. Actually, bro, you make me frustrated. Stay right here. Stay right there, buddy. I gotta do something. Huh? Shana! Shana, Shana! Shana, Shana! 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 Gotta make it home. Home. Gotta make it home. Home. Vero, me home. Me home. Me home. Family, look what I got. But just me, they don't like it. Let's go. Let's go on an adventure. Foggy thingy. Maybe that.
Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Zippy, zippy, zippy thing. Whee! No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Whee! Yeah. No, no. No, no, no. You stay here. Boom. Okay, little guy. Me go. Actually, let me take you with me. Yeah, quick. Let me put you back before anyone notices. Hoo hoo hee. Hoo hee. Hoo hee. I put him in. Was he here? On the toilet? On the Peter Ding Ding?
Oh, what was that?
Easy. Zim zim zim. Yeah, Damien. Are you zim? Damien.
What? No. Oh, there you think. Yo, there you are. Sorry I left you here, bro. I hope no one took you, bro. When we get back, actually, just tell me what happened, bro. Okay? Actually, you don't have to tell me, bro. I don't even like you. Stop watching me, bro. This is the end. Leave. Why are you still here? Yeah, just leave. Yo, not. Yo, didn't I tell you to leave? Yo, why are you still here? Yo, leave before I make, bro. Leave before I do something, bro. To you, bro. uh, did I tell you to leave, bro? I said, actually, no, that's not enough. No. If I see you one more time, bro, you. Yep. Bye.